Hi guys, sitting in the car, Nanny's visiting her friend. I thought I might have a go at building this one. It's a bit bigger than I normally build sitting in the car, but it is only 2 sheets, so I think it's large pieces rather than a more complicated build. "3D puzzle vintage car, manufactured and imported by Hobbycraft Arts and Crafts Superstore. Made in China. Cost me £1.99. That'll be St. Peter's Hospice charity shop. Come on, open up. There we go. Remember to put a blanket on the chair so we can catch all the bits. Okay. Where is number 1? Number 1 is there. There's number 1. And number 2 goes in the same place. There's number 2. Three, 4. 5. That's a shame. It was all going quite nicely up to that last bit. And that just doesn't go anywhere. Definitely should have glued this. That's just falling apart every time I get hold of it now. We're going to get it finished, it's just not going to be quite as nice as I would have hoped. And I really don't understand that bit on the back there. Without a good picture showing you which way round it's supposed to go, we're a bit stuck. But that is it. Done. There's quite a few bits there I would like to glue in place. I'll tidy up and we'll get some pictures of it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.